Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the background from any photo using Canva 2025. Whether you're a seasoned graphic designer or a budding enthusiast, mastering this feature will transform your images and give you more creative control. Let's dive in and learn how to do this step by step. First, let's begin by ensuring you have the Canva Pro subscription. The background removal feature is exclusive to Canva Pro users because it uses more advanced algorithms for processing images. If you're not subscribed yet, consider upgrading to make the most out of these advanced tools. Next, open Canva and choose the project you want to work on, or you can start by creating a new design. You'll find that you can upload a photo directly into your design space. Select the image you want to work with by clicking on it. This action will activate a variety of options uniquely associated with that image. Once your image is selected, keep an eye on the toolbar above. Here, you'll find the Edit Image button. Click this button to reveal more image editing options specific to the photo you've selected. Among these options, you'll see the BG Remover option. Click on it. It's important to remember that this feature is available only to Canva Pro users, so ensure you have access to the Pro version. The BG Remover is an incredibly intuitive tool designed to help you automatically remove the background with a single click. It's powered by sophisticated AI, which analyzes the image and efficiently isolates the subject from the background. This means you won't need to manually trace around your subject, making the process both quick and precise. While the background remover works its magic, hold tight as it might take a few seconds to process, especially if the image is complex. Once done, you'll see your image without the background. If you notice any areas where the background wasn't removed perfectly, Canva allows you to refine the result. You can manually erase parts that were missed or restore areas that were accidentally removed, offering an opportunity to ensure your image looks perfect. And there you have it. Your image is now free of its background, ready to be placed over any design or project you've created. Experiment with different backgrounds, add shadows, or place the image on a new layer to bring your creative vision to life. Before wrapping up, remember to save your work. Canva usually saves your progress automatically, but double checking ensures you don't lose any changes. Keeping a version with and without the background can be handy for future projects. By mastering the background removal tool in Canva 2025, you can quickly elevate your design skills, saving both time and effort. Enjoy exploring the endless creative possibilities this feature unlocks for your projects.